This excessive heat, it is putting quite a strain on our AC units, and it's dangerous to think about our air conditioning breaking down and we're unable to fix it. Well, here to help is ABC 15 Home Pros expert Eric Bryan. He is the owner of Precision Air and Plumbing, and he's here to help keep you and your family cool and comfortable, not just in the summer, but throughout the entire year. And right now there's a crisis going on. You said AC units are hard to come by. What does that mean for consumers?
Well, it is a big crisis for a lot of contractors that don't have the buying power that we do. But no joke that COVID really messed some things up as far as production lines, and we're just now in 2021 really starting to feel the effects of that. So there are equipment shortages throughout every manufacturer out there. What this means for consumers, though, is that they need to be more proactive than ever, because getting the system that you want, if you're in a replacement type of situation, you could be waiting 3-4 weeks, a couple months. And if you weren't proactive about doing that and you're reactive and your system's out, you could really find yourself in a pretty bad pinch. So
what are you seeing as far as the HVAC market? How are they dealing with this?
Well, it's a great question. I mean, what I see across the industry is a lot of contractors are just raising their prices, kind of a supply and demand issue. The problem I have with that is you can raise your prices, but it still doesn't fix the supply problem. So at Precision, what we've done is, luckily for us, we've been one of the largest contractors in the nation and in the Valley for years. We have extreme buying power, and we're not really dealing with equipment shortages. We're doing really well with that. And most importantly for consumers, we're not raising our prices. I don't feel like that's a justifiable thing to do. But the crisis does and is going to affect a lot of contractors and a lot of customers, unfortunately.
Yeah, and at this time of year when people are just struggling, right, to keep those AC units running, they want to be comfortable and confident in the company they hire. Why should they call you?
Well, we've been the #1 ranked company in the state for 9 years. We're a Torch Award Ethics nominee for the Better Business Bureau. We simply do things the right way, not the easy way, and we take care of our customers.
Yeah, and it's important that you say that we keep our AC and give them a little loving all year long. How do we keep them running properly?
Well, we always talk about it, right? And people forget it's being proactive. I mean, being proactive with these air conditioning units. I know they're out of sight, out of mind. Air conditioning money is not sexy money. It's not money even that I want to spend. You know what I mean? I get it. But when these things go out in the crunch of summer, it's a real inconvenience. So be proactive. Have them tuned up. Get a proper tune-up. Make sure you're taking care of that system, because it's going to take care of you in the summer.
Yeah, you said it. Keep your AC unit healthy, and that's very important. And back to the consumer and demand and the supply and demand. If someone calls you, what should they say if they have an AC issue?
Well, just let us know that it's not working. And here's a real tip for people. If your unit's not cooling and it's not working, shut it off. A lot of customers make the mistake of just letting it run. You could be doing a lot more damage. If it's not working anyway, shut it off. Get an expert out there and let us get out there and check it out for you.
That's very important.
It is very important.
Yes, and give us some more tips to stay cool, because it is hot.
Well, listen, keep your windows down, keep your shutters down, keep your ceiling fans off, shut off rooms that you're not using. Don't be jacking with your thermostat, running it up and down. Find a comfortable temperature for the family, and let it do its thing. Here's another quick point that most people don't know. When it's 115, 117 outside, these systems can only cool your house 30 degrees below outside temperature. So when it's 115 out, we get a lot of people calling and saying, hey, it won't get below 85 in my house. It's like, guess what? It ain't going to. They're not designed to do that. When we're in extreme conditions, close your blinds, turn your ceiling fans on, and just hunker down and wait for it to pass.
We told you he's the expert. And guess what? Precision Air and Plumbing, they are available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And Eric has a great special offer for our Sonoran Living viewers. The first 25 callers, you will receive $1,000 off any new unit purchase. Call 602-FIX-MY-AC. That's 602-349-6922, or visit precisionairandplumbing.com. Got home projects? Follow Precision Air and Plumbing and other businesses that can help you. Find our list of experts at abc15.com/homepros.